saw the builder that he first told me, that's just after he come down here and covered everything off.
Okay, so we have come back to Nottingham this morning to Prostrip. This is the first dry day we've had in England for months, and we thought we'd nip up and pick up the body shell, which has been e-coated. So it's been through a series of about, I think he said 11 or 14 tanks. So they take off the light rust that's accumulated while all the welding was done, and then they put it through the e-coating tanks, and hopefully that's got in all the nooks and crannies on the inside the seals. It's looking a little bit dusty here because I think they said there's been some carpenters next door doing some work on another factory, but it's gone through its e-coating process. And it stayed on its jig, so hopefully we've gone round all the screws and we've tightened it all down, and the jig's also been e-coated, so hopefully that will do a few more MGs over the years, and it's all looking rather good. So what we're going to do now is put some pallet wrap around it, just in case there's any muck on the roads, just to protect it a little bit more while we take it back. We've got all the wings have been e-coated, the rear wings, front wings, all the mud, the mud guards and the dashboard, they've all been done. And hopefully we have a nice trip back to the body shop.